If you work with an oscilloscope on a regular basis, and you design PCI Express boards for desktop computers, embedded appliances, telecom appliances, servers, and so on, then this video is for you, particularly if you enjoy using highly efficient methods that make you far more productive. Watching TV is a good example. Let's pretend your job is to watch television 8 hours a day. Now imagine you have no remote control. You have to physically go to the TV every single time you want to change the channel or the volume. You actually make similar unnecessary efforts every day in your workplace, and you may not even know it. Like a TV watcher deprived of a remote control, you have no flexibility, an unavoidable loss of time, resulting in constant frustration. Testing and debugging a PCI Express board should be simple, but it's impossible to do without actually placing the board in a standard operation mode. Unless you use some traditional extender, you have a risk of burning the board. Also, you need to check signals. How are you going to do that? In the case of servers, 1U, 2U, blade servers, you don't even have access. In fact, you might be one of those unfortunate individuals who have a server open on their desk, so you regularly enjoy all the noise and loss of working space. Ergonomics is a big problem too if you need to do probing, especially if your board is vertically placed in front of you. Now, maybe you can get to the actual components, but we all know that probing a component size 0201 feels like you're trying to isolate a molecule. Amphiltech Corporation is pleased to introduce you to your new best friend in the lab, the PCI Express cable extender. This is the only testing debugging extender in a cable format in the world, providing you the flexibility, comfort, and control that an engineering role demands. As you can see, the host board plugs into your motherboard, and the black box with the PCI Express board connector can go wherever the cable can reach, up to 10 feet away from you. So your working space is cleared up now, and you just have this little box on the desk in front of you. How you use it is the best part. Now you can easily probe both front and back of your desired PCI Express board right on your desk. You have easy access to both top and bottom of your board. Just turn it over. You probably realize none of this is possible without a firm physical connection. Now, in this photo, there's a random PCI Express board plugged into your extender. Notice your two support tabs. They prevent the board from wiggling, giving you reliability and a bracketless mount. This is an operation-critical feature patented by Amphiltech. It doesn't matter if you have a standard chassis or not, the extender host board goes into it and your PCI Express board is on the table in front of you. This means you can work with your appliances embedded servers as well. Your server is now off your desk and up to 10 feet away from the cable extender, which is the only thing you need for work with the PCI Express board in question. If your board in question is not PCI Express but MiniPCIe Express, PCI, etc., Amphiltech has a complete line of interface adapters to accommodate you. And yes, the extender naturally features hot swap and overcurrent protection as well. To learn more about the PCI Express cable extender, visit us at the link below or go to amphiltech.com.